In the heart of Shaolin, where legends are born, 18 strokes of the dragon staff. Early every morn, bronze men stand tall, guardians of the way. Through sweat and blood, we train every day. From dawn till dusk, we master the art. Kung Fu flows deep, embedded in our heart. Through the halls of the temple, the echoes ring. 18 strokes, the dragon staff sings. Discipline and strength, forged in the flame. Shaolin warriors rise with unyielding fame. Under the watchful eyes of masters old. 18 strokes, our destiny unfold. Mental fortitude in every strike we make. With the dragon staff, we cause the earth to quake. In the temple shadow, we hone our might. 18 strokes from morning till night. Bronze men of Shaolin, a test of the soul. Each stroke of the staff, making us whole. Through the trials we face, our spirits ignite. In the dance of the dragon, we find our light. Training hard, every move precise. 18 strokes of the dragon, a warrior's life. In the sacred halls, we write our lore. Kung Fu masters forevermore. In the temple's heart, where silence speaks, we push our limits every single week. Through pain and struggle, our will is refined. 18 strokes of the dragon, body and mind. Our staff is our partner, our guide, our friend. Through the art of Kung Fu, we transcend. Shaolin brothers, standing side by side. With the dragon staff, our power amplified. From the bronze men's challenge to the temple gate, we carve our path, we seal our fate. With each stroke of the staff, we grow and learn. In the fires of Shaolin, our spirits burn. 18 strokes, a testament of might. In the darkness of night, we shine so bright. Through the ancient art, we find our way. 18 strokes of the dragon leads the day. So here's to the warriors, the keepers of the flame. In the halls of Shaolin, we make our name. With the dragon staff in hand, we rise above. 18 strokes in the temple of love. Mental fortitude in every strike we make. With the dragon staff, we rise above. 18 strokes in the temple of love. 18 strokes in the temple of love.